Let us make the occasion of Labor Day a memorable one fervent by promising ourselves to work hard in each and every phase of our lives. Happy Labor Day. Prophet Muhammad said, your employees are your brothers. Allah has given you authority. If a Muslim has another person under his control, he or she should feed them with the like of what one eats and clothe them with the like of what one wears. And you should not overburden them. What does Quran say about dignity of labor? In Islam, labor deserves to be respected because he earns by his sweat. Prophet and his companions set the example in this regard as they established the dignity of labor. Holy Prophet himself worked for Khadija for several years. To get more videos from my side, please subscribe and like. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notifications of my videos.